Introducing our company's fully automatic wet wipes machine, the perfect solution for efficient and reliable wet wipe packaging. This state-of-the-art machine is designed to handle a variety of packaging materials, including aluminized film, aluminum foil film, PE/PP, and PO/PPE, with a thickness of 0.07 mm to 0.09 mm. The single-axis operation and 70 to 75 mm axis diameter envelope make it easy to use, while the 350 mm coil film specification ensures high capacity. With a packing size of 150 to 230 mm length, 100 to 120 mm width, and 20 to 80 mm height, this machine is capable of packaging spunlaced nonwoven fabrics, hot-rolled nonwoven fabrics, and dust-free fabrics with a basis weight of 35-60 GSM. The fully automatic wet wipes machine comes equipped with a master roll specification of up to 1000 mm in diameter and 150 to 200 mm in width, with an inner shaft diameter of 76 mm. Experience the ultimate in wet wipe packaging efficiency and reliability with our fully automatic wet wipes machine.